Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Monday the 18th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. We have a lot to do, so go ahead and get out your pens, pencils, calculators, notebooks, and books and everything else that you need for class today. And let's get ready to have a great class period today. We're always going to be all about math, and we have a lot to do today, so let's go ahead and get started. We will have a test next Tuesday. I am aware that I told you guys the test would be this week, but due to Fort Bluff being this Thursday, I was not aware of that. We will not be able to have the test until Tuesday. Actually, the test could be on Monday because we're one day off, but I never want to give Monday tests, and so we will have a test on Tuesday. Be sure and get your protractors and compasses. We're going to be using those on Wednesday, so please get those in as soon as possible. It's very, very important that you do that. Here's the schedule for the week. You do not need to write this down, but just listen. Monday, we're going to finish up lesson 1.5, and that'll be today. We'll talk more about that in a couple minutes. Excuse me again. Sorry about that. On Tuesday, we're going to do lesson 1.6 and we'll have homework. On Wednesday, we're going to do lesson 1.7 and start working on the review sheet for your test. On Thursday, we will have a video at Fort Bluff. This has been with Mr. Harmon's permission, and so I do want you to know that is going to happen. I expect you guys to have a good attitude about that. And by the way, I'm just kidding, of course, no video at Fort Bluff. On Friday, we will continue to work on your review sheet. So we're going to start it Wednesday, and we're going to continue to work on it Friday and finish it. So really, you can have your test on Monday, but Monday tests are never good for students. So on Monday, we're going to start Chapter 2, and then Tuesday we'll take your test over Chapter 1. If you have any questions, email me or call me, okay? Now, there's no homework to turn in because I gave you no homework over the weekend due to the class being dismissed early for the volleyball tournament. However, I do have a long list of zeros. Now, when I say zeros, just relax. Don't get mad. Don't get upset. Don't say, Mr. Earhart's so unfair. Just relax. If you'll, sorry guys, if you'll turn it in today or contact me, I can work with you, okay? But I have a list here of the people I did not get the assignment from, lesson 1.4. Now, I know a lot of you are volleyball players, and so what that means is, listen carefully, you weren't in class Friday to give it to me, and I understand that. And again, all of these zeros are going to be gone as soon as you just turn it in. So you can turn it in right now if you want to. It's the homework assignment from lesson 1.4. Cameron and Zoe, Caitlin, Grace, Victoria, Kaylee, Lydia, Reagan, Keen, Madison Kill, Bailey Redden, Abigail Shrimp, Sun Hoon Song, and Emmy. So look, guys, again, I'm not going to take points off on your homework for this assignment. Other assignments I will, but not for this one. First of all, it's the very first homework assignment, so I know you guys are getting used to me. Number two, most of you were gone, probably on the volleyball team. So what I want you to do is just turn those in now, please. And I think, Cameron, I believe that you're in the back of Mrs. Walker's class. I believe you did not have a book. So I'm aware of all of these situations. And I am not even in the least bit upset about this. I just need to get these turned in today, if at all possible. And if you can't, please email me and tell me why. Okay. All right. Let's continue on. And again, that was from Thursday's homework that I gave you Thursday in class, lesson 1.4. Okay. Now, here's what we're going to do in class today. Please listen carefully. I don't think a lot of you watched the video like you were supposed to over the weekend. I checked into that late Sunday evening, and there was only a couple of views on that lesson, if I remember correctly. So, first of all, I'm really disappointed. When I give you something to do like that, you need to do it. But number two, I also understand that this is kind of a new system. Some of you might have forgot. So what we're going to do today is this. Please listen to me carefully. For those that did watch the instructional video over the weekend, you're going to be rewarded by working on homework during the class. And that means hopefully you'll have no homework tonight. Okay? All right. Those that have not watched the instructional video, you're going to watch that now during class. So Ms. Frampton, the supervising teacher, is going to play the video, and I'll give that video information later. And you students are going to watch that video, and then you'll have homework tonight to do at your house. Okay? So once again, those that watch the video over the weekend, you're being rewarded for doing that, and you'll work on your homework in class. Now, as you work on your homework in class, you won't be able to watch the homework video, but a lot of the problems are pretty simple, and I think as you work on those, you should be okay. But if you have any problems, you can watch the ones that you missed. You can check those tonight at your house. All right, let's continue on. The video today is called Slopes, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines. Slopes, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines. So this is the video that Ms. Frampton's going to play for you today. All right. And your homework is this. Please copy this down. Page 33. Now, on the last homework assignment, some of you were confused. Some of you just saw the word odd at the end, and so you thought it meant odd for everything. So I'm going to have to do a better job of really explaining the math problems to you, okay? This is going to be page 33, numbers 7 and 9, and then numbers 11 through 19 all, and then number 21, and then 21 through 33 all, and then 39. Okay, so number 7, 9, 11 through 19 all, 21, 23 through 28 all, and then 39. So that's your homework assignment that you're going to work on either now in class, if you've already watched this video up here, or this is the homework assignment that you're going to work on at your house tonight. Okay, please copy the homework assignment down. Please copy down the name of the video that's going to help you. The name of the homework help video that will help you is Geometry Track 1 August 18th homework. Okay, Geometry Track 1 August 18th homework. And understand something else. I do not grade homework on accuracy. I grade homework on completion. In other words, I look at your homework, I see if you did all 18 problems, and if you did, I give you 100. It is your job you're big juniors now in high school. Actually, in 8th grade math, it was the same way. It's your job to check your answers in the back of the book. And if I give you any even problems, it's your job to check the evens with the homework help video. And students, this is really important. You could do an entire homework assignment and do the whole thing wrong and think that you're doing it right, and then continue to do it wrong on a test or a quiz. So please check your answers in the back of the book, check your evens on the homework help video, make sure that you're really doing that, okay? I don't want to be redundant, but again, this is the video here that Ms. Frampton is going to play in class. If you've already watched it and taken notes on it, then work on your homework right now. And then for the rest of you, when you're done watching this video up here, be sure and work on your homework and turn that in tomorrow. Again, this list right here that I had of zeros, make sure you folks get those turned in, preferably today. And if you can't, please send me off an email explaining why. Okay? Have a good rest of the day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.